You're watching One Road at a Time. I'm Fabio.
And this is Pacific View Road. Pacific View Road is on the Ventura side of the Santa Monica Mountains, and it's only accessible by Cotharin Road on the east or Deer Creek Road from the west. In my opinion, the only way to go is west so that you can get the southern view on Deer Creek. The western half of Pacific View Road is a private dirt road behind a locked gate. So what we can ride is only 1.5 miles long with 16 curves. Not a huge stretch, but an important connector in the Deer Creek Loop. Real quick, I just want to show you Cotharin Road as it approaches Pacific View Road. I'll put a link in the description for Cotharin Road that I filmed last week. Okay, here we are at the beginning of Pacific View. Kickstands up, let's go. I've always loved this dome house on the left. Cotharin, Pacific View, and Deer Creek roads, the only one that has the center line is Deer Creek, so you know as soon as you see it, you've hit the end of Pacific View. It's real easy to miss the sign. Not that it's a big deal because you can only go one way. Pacific View is closed off and you can see the gate on the left. And here's a quick montage of Deer Creek Road all the way down to PCH. It's a beautiful view the whole way down. If you haven't done it before, or if you're just visiting LA, definitely don't miss this loop. Pacific View Road gets a road score of 3.5 out of 5. It's only 1.5 miles long, a little less, has 11 curves per mile. The surface quality is good, it's got some nice views, the traffic is light, and it's bookended by Cotharin and Deer Creek along Yerba, Buena, and PCH, and right next to the world-famous Neptune's Net. I hope you enjoyed this ride, maybe learned something, and if not, at least found it entertaining. Thanks for riding with me today, and I'll see you next time.